Welcome, dear students. In today's class, we will be solving this particular question. So, in the last class, what we have learned is we have seen how to simplify, or rather how to rationalize the denominator. Okay, so here you see there are three terms. So, I'll call this as the first term, this is the second term, and this is the third term. So, what will I do is I'll be taking each one of them separately and solving them. Okay, so the first one is 7 root 3 by 10 root 10 plus root 3. So we will first rationalize the denominator in this case. So let's see how much do we get. So it is 7 root 3 by root 10 plus root 3. So we have a plus b in the denominator. We will multiply both numerator and denominator by a minus b. So we have a minus b on both numerator and denominator. Okay, so now let's multiply them. So let's multiply and see what do we get. So in the numerator you get 7 root 3 into root 10. It is 7. So whatever is there inside root, they will get multiplied. So 3 into 10 will get multiplied and it is 30. Minus, we have minus. So 7 root 3 into root 3 is 7 into 3, because root 3 into root 3 is 3, whole divided by, so in the denominator you have a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. That is a square minus b square in the denominator. Okay, so let's simplify further. So it is 7 root 30 minus 21 whole divided by 10 minus 3. So what is 10 minus 3? 10 minus 3 is 7. So can I take 7 common from these two? Yes, definitely. So we'll take 7 common. So let's see what we get. We'll get root 30 minus, so from 21, if you take 7, you're left with 3. So then 7 and 7 can be cancelled. So it is root 30 minus 3. So I have simplified the first term. Similarly, we'll simplify the second term. Let's see how much do we get. 2 root 5 by root 6 plus root 5. So we have this again in the denominator. If you see, we have a plus b. So we will multiply by a minus b. So we have 2 root 5 by root 6 plus root 5. So we will multiply by a minus b. That is root 6 minus root 5. Okay, so we will do the same way. So you see in the denominator we have a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So in the numerator we have 2 root 5 multiplying this. So let's see how much we get. So we have 2 root 5 into root 6. So within square sign, whatever we have, they will get multiplied. So 5 6 is 30 under the root sign, minus we have 2 into, so root 5 into root 5 is 5. So then what do we get? We get 2 root 30 minus 10 whole divided by, so it is 6 minus 5. What is 6 minus 5? It is 1. So we have 2 root 30 by root 2 root 30 minus 10 whole divided by 1. So if you have 1 in the denominator, we need not write that. So it is 2 root 30 minus 10. So this is the simplification of the second term. Now we will simplify the third term in the same way. So we have 3 root 2 by root 15 plus 3 root 2. So we have again a plus b, we will multiply by a minus b. So this time we have 3 root 2 whole divided by root 15 plus 3 root 2. So we will multiply by root 15 minus 3 root 2. Root 15 minus 3 root 2 on both numerator and denominator. So let's multiply. So in the numerator we have 3 root 2 into root 15. So it is 3. So under square root we have 2 and 15. So they'll get multiplied and you get root 30 minus minus sign is there, so 3 3s are 9 into root 2 is 2 whole divided by, okay, so it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, so it is a square minus b square. Okay, so let's simplify further. So in the denominator we have 15 minus, so root 3, I'm sorry, 3 square is 9 and root 2 square is 2. So 9 into 2 is 18. So let me write it directly because you have done the same thing out here also. So it is 3 root 30 minus 18. So how much is there in the denominator now? 15 minus 18 is minus 3. So let's take out 3 also common from the numerator. So you get 3 is common. So root 30 minus 6 you are going to get. So you can cancel this. Okay, so when you have this minus in front, see, you have minus in the denominator means you have minus in front. So when you open up the bracket, you have to multiply by minus. So you get 6 minus root 30. Okay, so we have successfully, factorized or rationalized the three terms. Now what we will do is we will take one term at a time. Okay, we will write the question first and we will write their values and write the final answer at the end. So we have, the question is 7 root 3 by root 10 plus root 3 minus 2 root 5 by root 6 plus root 5 minus 3 root 2 by root 15 plus 3 root 2. So let's substitute the value. So what is the first term equal to? It is root 30 minus 3. Root 30 minus 3 minus the second term is root 2 root 30 minus 10 minus the last term is 6 minus root 30. Now let's open the bracket. So root 30 minus 3 minus 2 root 30 minus into minus plus 10 minus 6 plus root 30. Okay, so let me do the rest of the part here. So root 30 gives you 2 root 30. So it is 2 root 30 minus, you see, there is 2 root 30. Alright, so the remaining parts are, we have plus 10 minus, so 3 and 6, both of them are having minus sign, so they'll get added. So 3 plus 6 is 9. So as you can clearly see, this 2 gets cancelled. So it is 10 minus 9. So 10 minus 9 is equals to 1. So this is the answer for this particular question. So there is similar question in question number 4. So you may pause the video and note down the solution. You will try question number 4 by yourself. So here is the question. So you will try it by yourself. Now let's observe this question. Given a and b are the rational numbers, find a and b. There are 3 questions, 1, 2 and 3. So all of them are of same kind. Okay, but I will be doing number 3 for all of you. So let's see how to do this. So number 3, again, as you can see, in number 3 there are 2 terms. Okay, so let me evaluate them separately. So we have, the first one is 7 plus root 5 by 7 minus root 5. So we will first rationalize the denominator. We have 7 plus root 5 by 7 minus root 5. You have a minus b in the denominator. So obviously I'll multiply by 7 plus root 5 here on both numerator and denominator. Okay, so the denominator is a square minus b square. So it is 7 square minus root 5 square in the denominator. But if you see the numerator, both of them are same. 7 plus root 5 into 7 plus root 5. So I can write this as 7 plus root 5 whole square. So then the numerator is in the form of a plus b whole square. So it is a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square whole divided by, so you have 7 square is 49 minus root 5 square is 5. Let's simplify this. 7 square is 49. So this is 14 root 5 plus 5 whole divided by, you have 44. Okay, so you see we have 49 plus 5 is 54, plus you have 14 root 5 by 44. Okay, so if you want to take 2 common and do the cancellation, that is also possible, but let me leave it till here only right now. We'll do the simplification later. So I have found the first term. Similarly, we'll find out what is the second term. So we have 7 minus root 5 by 7 plus root 5. So I don't have space below this, so I have written here, but you will write just below this part. So in the denominator you have a minus b, a plus b is there, so you'll multiply by a minus b. So we have 7 minus root 5 whole divided by 7 plus root 5. So we will multiply by 7 plus root 5. I'm sorry, 7 minus root 5. 7 minus root 5 on both numerator and denominator. So numerator is 7 minus root 5 whole square, and the denominator is 7 square minus root 5 square. So a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square whole divided by, you have 49 minus 5 again. So again this is the same simplification. So 49 minus 14 root 5 plus 25 by 44. Again 49 and, I'm sorry, not 25, it's 5. Root 5 square is 5. So 49 and 5, they will get added, so you get 54. But this time you have minus 14 root 5 by 44. Okay, so now we will go back to this. So therefore, first we will write the question. 7 plus root 5 by 7 minus root 5 plus, not plus again, minus 7 minus root 5 whole divided by 7 plus root 5 is equals to, we are given a plus 7 by 11 b root 5. So now let's put the values. So what is the value of the first term? It is 54 plus 14 root 5 by 44, minus the second term is 54 minus 14 root 5 by 44 is equals to, we have a plus 7 by 11 b root 5. So we will take the LCM now. So LCM is 44. So what do you get then? 54 plus 14 root 5. So you have minus sign. So be careful. You have to change the sign. So it is minus 54 plus 14 root 5 is equals to a plus 7 by 11 b root 5. Now you see minus 54 and plus 54 gets cancelled. So it is 28 root 5 by 44 here is equals to, we have a plus 7 by 11 b root 5. So let's cancel with 4 here. 4 11s are 44, 4 7s are 28. So it is, so we have, can I write this as 0 plus 7 by 11 root 5 is equals to a plus 7 by 11 b root 5. Yes, definitely I can write this. So now if you compare here, 0 will be equals to a. Okay, so comparing both sides, your a will be equals to 0. So we got the value of a. And now we have 7 by 11 here also, we have 7 by 11, we have root 5 here also, we have root 5, but in place of b, can I write here 1 into 1? Yes, so then when you compare, b will be equals to 1. So b will be equals to 1 when you compare both sides. So this is the way we need to do this sum. Okay, so kindly try 1 and 2 by yourself. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.